My name is Evans, I'm your car guy, and today I'll be giving you a comprehensive guide on how to import cars from Japan to Uganda. I know some of you might be asking, why should I import a car from Japan? The answer is simple. Japan is the #1 exporter of used cars in the world, and there is a reason to that. First of all is the cost. The cost of importing cars from Japan is lesser compared to other countries. And if you see, Japanese cars are of high quality and very durable. And also from Japan you can have a variety of many cars to choose from. So if someone asks you why should I import a car from Japan, tell them to consider these 3 factors. Now that you know the reasons why you should import the car from Japan, here comes the second question. How do you choose the right dealer? And this is a question that really confuses a lot of customers because there are so many scammers online and there are so many illegal practices, especially with the development of the internet. Here are some of the things you should definitely look at when you're trying to choose the right car dealer. Number 1, you should definitely look at their website, their online presence, and that is not enough because so many unscrupulous dealers can just come up with a website. But first of all, you should check if they are a member of the Jumveya as well as the Japan Car Trade, because these are some of the organizations that help legitimizing the second-hand car dealers from Japan. You can also look at your local organizations from your country. What are some of the local organizations and bodies that are set to make sure that all the dealers that are dealing in the second car industry are legit? Here at SBI, we fit both of those criteria. We are a member of the Jumveya as well as the Japan Car Trade. Here at SBI, we make sure that we give you quality for your budget. Each country has different requirements when it comes to the age of cars. For example, in the case of Kenya, you cannot import a car that is more than 5 or maybe 7 years old, I'm not sure. But for Uganda, it's 15 years old. According to the 2018 Road Safety Act, you cannot be allowed to import a car that is more than 15 years old. So this is one thing you should definitely look at when you're importing used car from Japan. Furthermore, the Ugandan National Bureau of Standards requires cars to be inspected for quality control purposes. The inspection is done by the Ugandan National Bureau of Standards before the cars are released to the customs control areas. One of the most frequently asked questions is how to calculate the cost and the taxes of importing cars from Japan to Uganda. The total cost of importing a car to Uganda depends on the import tax. This is calculated on the General Agreement of Trade and Tariffs. Taxes for a car import to Uganda includes the following: import duty, which is usually 15% of the total cost of the car; value-added tax, which is 17% of the total import fees; import declaration fee, which is 2% of the dutiable value; withholding tax, which is 4% of the dutiable value; and finally, excise duty, which may be charged at 10% of the duty fee. I know I've said so many numbers, but don't worry about it because here at SBI, we make sure that we calculate all this for you. And it's automatic. Just enter your country and your nearest port, and all this information will be collected and will give you a total cost that you need to have while importing a car from Japan. Here is a list of documents you need to import a car from Japan to Uganda. Number 1, the original bill of lading. Number 2, the invoice or the valuation of the vehicle. Number 3, the export certificate. Number 4, the original logbook of the car. Number 5, consignee's original passport or identification. Number 6, inventory in triplicate. And last but not least, a pre-shipment inspection certificate. However, if you choose Dar es Salaam as your port of entry, you must register the vehicle you're importing with Tanzania Revenue Authority first. This will let you get clearance from the Tanzanian customs, allowing your car to proceed to Uganda. And that's a complete guide on how to import a car from Japan to Uganda. Look forward for more videos like this, giving you the same guide on how to import cars from Japan to your respective countries. In case you have any questions, queries, please feel free to reach out to us at SBI Motor Japan.